Good morning. Actually, it's like almost the afternoon. I thought I would do a little day in my life. It is Saturday and I am getting ready because I am going to be doing a shooting day with Sarah. I feel like anytime I vlog, it's a shooting day with Sarah. Basically this morning, I went to bed so late last night. I went to bed at like 3. I was so anxious. I just like couldn't sleep. My anxiety was like making my heart race, so it was like I felt really energetic. So yeah, that was fun, but I didn't get a lot of sleep. And then I went to Target this morning and I picked up some things. I got a new lamp for the living room and I'm very obsessed. I'll show you guys before I leave. I'm gonna be doing a like a fall home decor, not so much like super fall in the sense that like I don't want things that say like be thankful, blessings. You know, I'm not into that. If you're into that, that's totally okay. Not my vibe. So it's more of like I'm just adding warmer tones. I've changed my sheets and my bedding, which I'm so excited to show you guys. Sorry, I look like, what's his name? I look like Orlando Bloom in Lord of the Rings right now with my hair. Do you see it? It's there. I'll come back when I'm decent. So let's just... And we're ready. I am wearing some trousers and then I have this white tank. You know me, I love a white tank. I probably wear it like every shoot, I feel like. And then I have this really cute little cardigan that I got from TJ Maxx, but I'm like 1000% ready to like start doing fall looks. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's actually a cloudy day, so it really works out. But let me show you guys my lamp before we leave and we head out to go see Sarah. Okay, here is the new lamp. I love it. It takes up so much good space. Let me turn it off. I love the like texture of it. Oh my god, it's plastic. Kind of. That's weird. And then we have a texturized one. This kind of matches the one that's in our bedroom, but yeah, I love it. We had this little one here, which was cute, but it was pretty small for this spot. So yeah, I really like it. I'm excited to like finish decorating tomorrow, or maybe when I come home. We'll see.
You say that I go out to get you off my mind. We've been done for a while now, and honestly, I'm fine. It's not a game that you are losing, but I'm with someone else and I'm not missing us. If I can't live without you, sue me. Somebody told me that you think I'm trying to make you jealous, jealous. I do better things with my time than trying to make you jealous, jealous.
So I am just driving into Old Town Tustin. It is pretty cloudy today and I'm not mad because I love like the fall vibes. It feels great. Like that's, my mind is there. My mind is fall. I'm like styling fall looks. I'm over summer. Anyone who knows me knows like that I love fall. But yeah, we're here at Old Town Tustin. Like I even took my sunglasses off because it's actually pretty dark. The only thing is, you know, on cloudy days, it's not that great for photos, and the photos have a tendency to come out like blue. So I am here, yay! Sarah's here already, and we're gonna go to Morning Lavender, and I'm excited because I'm actually starving because I haven't eaten anything because I decided to go to Target instead of actually eating lunch. So, yay! I'm here! I've arrived! I made it!
Just in time for us to snack.
I know, I'm vlogging right now. Yay! There's a bridal shower going on the other side of this wall. But I got a Vietnamese coffee with boba. And then I got a cinnamon pull apart. This is healthy. And then we got a cheese croissant. Fine. This looks actually pretty good.
I know, right?
Look at all the layers.
Oh yeah.
Guys, Sarah got a new Coach bag. Look how cute! I seriously love it.
As I can't take it out.
You guys, look how cute this is. We love a Coach bag.
Okay, so it's not easy to take this out.
Oh my god, I thought
fit.
it was just your lens in there. It's the whole camera.
No, it's the whole entire camera. This camera's huge,
I know, you guys, it's huge.
So that's how much room it has.
I love it so
Right?
much. Now I
I'm
want
so happy I
it.
Friendship
Bags. They're like, wow, they're really twinning.
I know, all the time.
I got a little sweet tooth for you. I'm looking for a bit of sugar. Lucky me, it's my cheat day. 'Cause I'm feeling for you lately. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get my fix.
Okay, we have finished shooting all our looks. I'm sweating. I had to change in my car.
I mean, I didn't shoot right now, so I've cooled.
Yeah, she's cooled down. I like put my hair up. There's no way it's going back down. So now we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go to that fish place that I mentioned to you guys earlier that Trevor recommended. We put it like in this little Pixter type
Yeah, like
app.
name generator.
Name generator for like 4 or 5 different restaurants that we were considering, and then it ended up being that one.
Yeah.
So, which is nice. We haven't tried it, so I think it'll be good to like try something different. What even time is it?
It's like 5.
That's decent.
Yeah.
I feel like we've made decent time.
We also didn't start shooting for like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
we
Oh,
got here,
you're
yeah.
right.
We were trying to wait for the sun, but never fucking came.
It's not here. Still not here. All is well.
So sweet, like candy. The way you move is something I fancy. My cotton candy daydream. I'm craving you, baby. Strawberry lips, I gotta have it. Biting on your tongue, my bad habit. You're my favorite flavor. Take it slow and savor. Just a little taste, it could do me good.
I just left Sarah. Right now, I'm actually doing like a detour. I'm not going the usual way home because I want to stop at Target. Sarah was like being so nice and trying to help me, but basically tomorrow I'm filming the decor haul for like fall, and there was a particular blanket that I tried to buy, but I've tried to buy it from like 3 different Targets and they've been sold out at each one. I don't know why. I just feel like suddenly everybody wants this blanket. I feel like I saw it forever. Basically, the freeway that I have to take to get to this Target, the traffic right now is insane. It's like 7 o'clock at night and I am just crawling, like just inch by inch on the freeway. Based on my GPS, it looks like there's 2 car accidents. I need to turn the air on. Oh God, it's hot. Turn that air on. Okay guys, I got the blanket. There was only 2 left. It's this really pretty, it kind of is coming off gray, but it's a green color. It's like a dark sage green. Yeah, it's this knit blanket, and I think that this will be perfect on my reading nook or like on my couch. Not sure what I want to do yet. I'm thinking my reading nook. I, for some reason, thought that this Target was on the way home, but it's actually out of the way. So now it's gonna be like another 25 minutes to get home by freeway, not by like side streets. My freeway is 25 minutes, and that's because there's no traffic. Okay, back home. Here is the blanket in our space. I just think we'll add more darkness to the couch. I'm definitely gonna rearrange the pillows. This was on our bed, but I switched all of our bedding, which you guys will see soon. This was on our bed, and I think I'm gonna take it off the couch for now. I do really love it, but it's a very, very large pillow. Like these are like 26, so this is like 30 something at least. Hopefully eventually when we get another side chair, maybe like a single seat that matches this couch, I could put the big pillow on there. I don't know. I do really love it, but it is pretty big. I do wish it was smaller, but what can you do? So yeah, I'm so glad I got this blanket. I think it'll be perfect for like off the side of the couch, or like I said, on my reading nook. So, but yeah, I came back home and immediately turned on this lamp, and I was like, oh, I still love it so much. So the apartment is legit like just a mess because I've been playing around with like home decor. This is just all the random stuff. I really need to clean this up, but I just have literally stuff everywhere. Our bedroom is a mess. From the last vlog, you'll still know that I still have these. Need to figure out the whole pillow situation. Kitchen's a mess. We've got like trash that we need to throw away, and the countertop is a mess right now, so I need to clear this all out so that way tomorrow it'll be so much easier. Who's in my bed? Hi, Mimi. Are you sleeping? Do you guys see the one white whisker? Nate and I love it. It's so cute. We're gonna be really sad when that one falls out. I wonder if like a new white one will grow, but it's so, we think it's so cute. Just the one white whisker. So I want to show you guys these new slippers that I got. I'm obsessed. They are so cute. Look at these. Aren't they so cute? I'm obsessed. They're from a company called Yellow the Label. I think that's what it's called. But I kept seeing them advertised on Instagram and Facebook and like just everywhere, and so I finally decided to get them. I like them because the inside is brown, so I feel like it won't look dirty. But yeah, I love it. I think they're so cute.
You left me. You left me. Me. You left me. You're big as hell. You're big as hell. You left me. You left me. You left me. Me. You left me. You're big as hell. You're big as hell. You left me. You left me. You left me. Me. You left me. You're big as hell. You're big as hell. You left me.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm so tired. I finished the dishes. I've cleaned the kitchen. I've kind of like set up how I want to decorate things in the places that I want to decorate them for tomorrow's video. I think like first thing in the morning, I'm probably gonna go get like flowers and stuff like that for our kitchen and entryway, just to like tie in all the loose ends. Yeah, I feel like I can't take you around the apartment because I'm changing everything, and I want that to be in the next video. I haven't talked to you guys about any books that I've been reading lately. I feel like it's been a minute, but I am gonna start the 3rd Harry Potter book. I was gonna start it on my vacation and I didn't, and then I was part of a book club, and so now I'm gonna be reading this one for myself. So I'm very excited to start the 3rd book. I also, let's see, I also bought the 4th one, which is pretty big. But yeah, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and the 3rd one is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So yeah, I'm very excited to get back into the swing of reading. I kind of took a little bit of a break with my grandma's passing. If you guys watched my reading nook, I talked about this, but my grandma passed away almost a month ago now, and it was really hard for me. Just really hard for me to focus, and so for that reason I wasn't reading very much, but I think I'm ready to get back into reading. So I'm very excited to maybe start this tonight. All right, ooh, I am exhausted. I'm so tired. I think I'm just gonna like brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to bed. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching today's day in my life vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on